Alright, ladies and gentlemen, top secret film location today, and yes, I did forget my lav mic at home, so I got Bob Barker style microphone here.
The price is wrong, bitch.
Now if you like these goofy toys, you know how important good lighting is, and the stock lighting on a Polaris RZR has come a long way since 2008 when it was first released, and this is a good option for night riding. But you already know, if there's a good option, there's a better option. NOVSIGHT sent out these 3-inch LED pods to upgrade my setup, and spoiler alert, I've already got them installed. I've had these things installed a couple weeks now and been testing them out at night time, seeing how they do, and I really like them, so I wanted to show you a little bit about them today. So, YouTube stuff. Now I know what you're thinking. You've already got these lights installed. How are you going to show us how to mount and wire these lights? In all seriousness, installation of these lights, super simple on this RZR. I bought these cheap brackets off Amazon, and they just bolt to your factory cage location. These nuts are captured on the back side, so you just 15mm socket, boom, take those two out, put your bracket on, put your bolts back in. And then the NOVSIGHT light comes with this nice powder coated bracket, and it's just got a single bolt that goes through so you can turn the light and aim it. I still got to aim these a little bit better, but it's a single bolt, and that's either a 13mm or a 1/2 inch if you're in the freedom loving country of America. But you mount your bracket, put your light in. It comes with an Allen key to install these bolts and lock washers, and that's so that you can aim the light. Again, I've got mine a little bit loose here so I can aim them better. And then you simply wire them in. Now my RZR's already wired with a relay and a switch, so I didn't use the pre-assembled wiring harness, but I want to show you that because it's a really slick setup. So this is how the lights come. Nice heavy box, nice foam divider. They come with amber covers and the wire harness, like I said. Now using this wire harness really is as simple as positive and negative, and that can be the bus bar that's under the hood on this RZR or directly to the battery. Then it comes with a switch, and that's really about it. Oh yeah, I guess I should talk about this. These lights come with a weatherproof connector for each light. This end will be attached to the light. You're asking yourself right now, why is his end not attached to his light? Well, like I said, my RZR was already wired for a setup, so I opted to cut these plugs off and use that setup. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering, this is just a blackout cover to protect the light. I think some states may require you to run these on like a Jeep or something if you're on the highway, but RZRs are not legal on the roads in Alabama, so it's just about protection for me. Alright, now that we've got all the boring stuff out of the way, let's cut to nighttime and show you how good these lights are. These are a huge upgrade over the stock headlights, and I really want to emphasize that to you guys. That being said, let's just, oh yeah, let's use this guy. Bye-bye! And through the magic of editing, we're right back here where we started. So if you're still not convinced these pod lights are a huge upgrade over your stock headlights, let me give you some other reasons why you might want to run this pod light setup. One, you're like me and have a custom cage. Custom cages make mounting light bars really hard because it's all welded. There's nowhere to put a mount without chopping up your windshield or roof. So running this is a very non-invasive way to increase your lighting. Two, you need to light up your neighbor's backyard from a 1/4 mile away. 3, you're looking to increase your light output without taking out a second mortgage on your house. Or 4, you're like me and scared of the dark. So guys, full transparency with you, NOVSIGHT did send me these lights to review. So I know that can come with some bias, but I want to just take a second to tell you that I'm honestly impressed with these lights. They're super bright, way brighter than my old setup, which you might have seen on some videos or Instagram posts. Shameless plug alert. But yeah, just wanted to take a second to note that while yes, they did send me the lights, they're not making me say these things. These lights are way brighter, have a lot more durable construction, and let's just face it, they're a lot damn sexier than the other lights I had on here. So with all the disclaimers out of the way, just want to say thanks for watching the video. If you can, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that stuff helps me out a ton. Man, I would really appreciate it if you could just drop me a comment and say, hey, that hat looks goofy on you, or hey, I can see your under boob sweat. Don't look for it. So like I was saying, thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Maybe I won't be holding this thing so awkwardly close to my mouth.